Mabuhay, Atomians! I'm Helen H. Orsilia, your new Sharon Rose Master and Center Head of San Jose CAP Center, a full-time department head of our local government unit, a city librarian of San Jose City, but doing Atomy with a full-time mentality and a full-time attitude. At the outset, I would like to thank all my business partners, affiliates to the San Jose CAP Center from Belgium, San Jose, New Zealand, Hong Kong, and other countries, and from other parts of the Philippines. And our partners from Cabanatuan, Rizal Nueva Ecija CAP Center, headed by Ma'am Regina and Ma'am Marilu. I would like to formally congratulate my strong Diamond Masters, Diamond Master Ma'am Celia from USA, Diamond Master Florante Tejada from Caranglan, Diamond Master Doc Josie, Diamond Master Ma'am Marilu from Rizal, together with our very energetic 12 Sales Masters, led by Sales Master Lolita Brown, Sales Master Ma'am Beth Galamay, Sales Master Ma'am Beth Fernandez, SM Cora, SM Regine, SM Nora, SM Patricia from Manila, SM City Nord, the first SM in Cotabato City, our 3 SMs based in the USA watching via YouTube, SM Doc Claire, SM Doc Helen, SM Edna, and of course, the only thorn among the roses, SM Army Retired General Donald Hungitan, my brother. Actually, he was my sponsor in Atomy in 2019. But he was then very busy with his active service in the Army. Kaya nag-expire ang kanyang first account. But now that you are retired, Kuya, thanks for actively joining me in the Atomy Army. Also, our special thanks to our very supportive country manager, Sir Eric Kim, and all Atomy staff who had always been very supportive, especially during challenges. Lagi namin kinukulit sa deliveries and other concerns, lalo na kapag during challenges. And of course, my sincere thanks to all members, consumers from CAP centers, because every single PV counts. Hindi mabubuo ang piso pag kulang ng isang sentimo. No? And above all, our unending thanks to our Lord Almighty who have guided us through during the challenge. His divine guidance really is beyond compare. This promotion is not only for me, but for everyone in the team. I cannot do this alone. It is the fruit of our joint efforts. It just goes to show that teamwork makes the dream work. More than the promotion are the valuable lessons that we learned from the challenges. Sabi nga ni Ma'am Lorraine, ang challenge is truly a way of filtering kung sino-sino ang mga perlas na dapat nating bitbitin hanggang Imperial Master. Now, let me share with you my SRM journey using the acronym challenge. C stands for children. Do not convince your children to do Atomy's business with you, because it did not work for me. Yeah. When I was just starting Atomy, I recruited all my 3 children and placed them on my right and on my left. No? Also my siblings, at binigyan ko din sila ng kanilang left and right para kumita sila agad. No? Ang sabi niya, actually, Ronnie's first account, ay kumita na ng 20K. And I thought that he will be convinced to do the Atomy business with me. But I was proven wrong. Ang sabi ni sponsor, 1 straight line left and 1 straight line right. No? But I did not follow. Kasi akala ko, magaling ako. No? I did it my way. Kaya dito sa Atomy, bawal ang acne. Alam ko na yan, no? Ayan, we should be teachable, which I wasn't earlier. Kaya eventually, pinag-expire ko na siya. Kasi sa kanya naman na ako nakatutok. neglecting my other partners who are actually doing the business with me. No? My 2 other children in Australia and in Japan are also users of Atomy, but they are busy with their work. They still help me with their personal purchases. Buti na lang si Ronnie, my 3rd child, nag-resign as Security Operations Manager serving the Ayala Group of Companies in El Nido, Palawan. Upon the invitation of her sister to go to Australia in search for a greener pasture. So I prayed hard na sana hindi siya matuloy. Hindi niya alam ito. No? So while waiting for his papers, I asked him to attend the Success Academy in Clark, Pampanga in the guise of being our driver. Not only once, but twice. And on the 3rd time that he attended, I noticed that he listened intently sa speaker, sa Imperial Master Speaker. Pag uwi namin, sabi niya sa akin, Mama, maganda pala ang Atomy. And I told him, anak, hindi lang basta maganda si Atomy. This is the best company that I've joined during my 3 decades of being a networker. Sabi ko, pag pumunta ka sa Australia, iisang bansa lang ang mapupuntahan mo. But if you make good in Atomy, lahat ng bansa na meron ng Atomy ay pwede mong mapuntahan. Yan. Kaya talagang nakumbinsi siya ngayon. And of course, after, sabi ko sa kanya, you better work out for your, the account of your wife. So that everything, in 2 months' time, she became a sales master, now a diamond master, and working for his ASM and eventually their SRM. So to the parents out there asking me on how to convince your children to do Atomy business, sabi ko kanina, do not convince them to do Atomy. Just simply bring them to Success Academy and let the vision of our company convince them. So, alam nyo, kapag nakumbinsi natin sila, hindi na tayo mahihirapan. No? Because this is their generation. At tayong mga dual citizen na hindi gaanong techie, it will be of great help pag ang ating mga anak and ating mga siblings will all be helping us. No? Ayan. Ang gagawin na lang natin, we will just be simply monitoring and guiding them. And syempre, financing also. No? Okay. It will make our job much simpler and much easier. Now, letter H stands for habits. What is good in Atomy is that there is no secret to success. It's all revealed in the Daily 8 Core to Success. Basahin na lang natin o kaya watch natin sa channel Atomy. Letter A stands for attitude. It is but human nature to be self-conceited at times. But let us strive to be others-oriented. Like our new Diamond Masters, Ma'am Celia, during the challenge, I really observed that she was prioritizing ang pagkukomission at pag-preparing ng kanyang mga downlines rather than herself. Yan ang attitude ng good leader. She was able to manage her 3 sales masters based in the USA and her 1 sales master here in the Philippines. No? So, that's good. Good job, Ma'am Celia. And at this juncture, I would like also to thank my son, Diamond Master Ronnie Ercilia, for making the greatest challenge, making the greatest sacrifice rather during this challenge. He voluntarily did not run for any mastership position during the challenge. Instead, he gave his full support to his active new Diamond Master Florante Tejada, his sparring partner. At hindi lang yon. On the latter part of the challenge, nung tumagilig yung aking second Diamond Master ko sa left ko, he also helped his upline sponsor, Diamond Dr. Josie Pascual, to re-challenge for Diamond Master para makompleto yung Diamond Master ko sa left. No? So what a sacrifice, anak. Milyong salamat sa Diyos. Surely God will reward you for your very positive attitude. From this day onwards, I am relinquishing my center headship to you, anak. God's willing, you will be one of my crown masters on my journey to Imperial Master. Pero, paglalampasan mo ako, anak, so much the better. Basta see you at the top, no? Love you, anak. That brings us to letter L, love. First, you have to love yourself. If you love yourself, then give more Atomy products to yourself. Secondly, you have to love your partners. Duplicate yourself to your partners. Like Sharon Rose Master, Ma'am Lorraine, and Sharon Rose Master, Sir Gian. They have duplicated themselves to me. And thirdly, love your sponsors. Kasi hindi ka ipapahamak ng good sponsors mo. Because your success is also their success. Di ba? And letter L stands for lineage. Update your lineage very often. Very important, especially during challenge. On the last day of the challenge, we were on our way to the airport for the Korean Success Tour. But my son Ronnie and I were still finishing PVs. Buti na lang, close monitor talaga si Ronnie. No? Hindi namin matawagan yung supposedly number 12 Sales Master Challenger. Okay na, kompleto na yung 3 Diamond Masters ko and yung 11 Sales Masters. But number 12 SM Challenger was really missing in action. So we have to maneuver. We have to look for alternative plan. And thank God, ipinakita niya si Ma'am Cora who was completing her SSM challenge then. Gustong-gusto niya talagang maging SM. Kaya lang, time is of the essence. Last day na ng challenge yun eh. And tapos, papunta pa kami ng Korea that time. So, God is so good. He sees beyond. He worked in mysterious ways by touching the hearts of our good Samaritan sponsors. My sponsor and Miss Sharon Rose Master, Jeanette Campus, even if she was on long holiday with Atomy, ay nakatulong pa rin siya ng malaki. Salamat, anak. Sharon Rose Master, Lorraine Bayer, my idol and mentor, who is always on close monitor, conducting leaders meeting, Zoom meetings almost every night during the challenge. Kahit na banking siya, ay tinulungan niya pa rin kami, no? And of course, our Sharon Rose Master, Sir Gian, who is always going around visiting us, help us a lot too. Thank you, Sir Gian, for igniting this very difficult challenge. However, kahit na mahirap mag-challenge, we have to, letter E, enjoy the journey. Challenge may be stressful, but stress, when properly managed and overcome, will make you a better person and leads you to success. And that is why we should, letter N, never ever quit. If you feel tired and exhausted dahil nahirapan tayo sa challenge, then rest if you must, but never ever quit. You might just be a meter away from your dreams or your goals. So, when you succeed, don't forget to, letter G, give to one another more. We are very fortunate to belong to a company with a big heart. You are aware of the so many community services and the many charitable institutions that Atomy is helping. Isipin na lang natin na sa bawat pagsisipilyo natin, bawat paglaba at pagligo natin ay meron tayong natutulungan. No? So, let's use Atomy products and letter E, encourage one another. As one big Atomy family, kahit cross-line yan, up-lines, sidelines, sibling lines. Let us encourage one another. Let us be happy with the success of our fellow Atomians. Because mastership promotions and also the presence of our global leaders here, especially our Crown Master Speaker, is an evidence that Atomy is doable. We can also be like them, right? Yes. That is why, fellow Atomians, let us not fear challenge. Why? Because challenge is the ultimate vitamins and the hemohim towards success. Pamilyong salamat sa Diyos sa kanyang kaloob na hindi masayod. Once again, this is Helen H. Ercilia, your newly promoted Sharon Rose Master from San Jose Cop Center.
Once again, let's give a round of